Hi guys, my name is Summer Janae and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to finally unbox and open up the RevAir because I have plans to take my twists down and I am going to do them myself this time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with opening this box. I'll turn it like this so you guys can see what's going on here. So when I bought this dryer, it's supposed to have all these extra goodies in it. So the first thing I'm taking out, I think, is the holder or the bag. It comes with the bag to hold the dryer and all of the it's like this. So it has a little inside pocket right there, and the dryer goes right there. So that's the first thing. And what will I take out next? I'll take out this smaller box because it's smaller. And it looks like this is, I guess, the bag of goodies or accessories, if you will, that come with RevAir. Let's see, what is this? Oh, so there's a $10, no, 50% off scalp and hair leave-in conditioner. So there's a wide tooth comb with RevAir on it. Oh, I'll open that later. It also comes with Boost Length, Density, and Fullness, this nourishing scalp and hair conditioner leave-in treatment. So that came with the dryer today. This looks like a little bag to hold everything. So that's kind of nice. And let's see, what is this? Oh, comes with some scrunchies too, like 3 scrunchies. So that's pretty cool. What else do we have? Foam liners. The inserts that are washable. And then it looks like we're getting to the actual components. No? There's some more goodies in here. This is like a little RevAir net bag. For like storage stuff. It looks like it comes with some clips. So you can section your hair into 4 areas as you are preparing to dry your hair. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's like a terry cloth. It feels really nice. Oh, it's a hooded towel. So this is cool. I like towels like this. So is it a RevAir one? It is, I think. It has their same color on it, but it doesn't, that doesn't look like, oh yeah, it is. That's their logo. So they put their logo in a very soft, nice towel. So I will be using this. But I'm gonna wash it first. This is a RevAir water bottle. I love these because they're like continuous spray ones, so this is nice. This is a pretty good goodie bag. There's another wide tooth comb. So there are 2 of those. And I've already talked about the foam liner, and I don't know what this is, but it looks like it goes to the dryer. So let me put this in the bag and get to the bigger one, which I'm assuming is the actual dryer itself. This one's bigger. And not drop it. Put it in there. And we will need our handy scissors again. Where did I do with the scissors? Oh, they're in the chair. My bad, y'all. So let me set it down. It says, be prepared to be amazed. And it has a card showing like a diverse group of ladies using the dryer to dry their hair. And so it says, open me, get started, open and scan. And on the inside of the box, there is the dryer, and it looks like it's in like a cover, if you will, so that it could travel. Simply, this is the base, it says, and then this is the wand, which you put your hair in to dry it. This is the part you put your hair in. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'll put this in the basket. I'll put this on the floor because there's something else in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like stop and read instructions and stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys like what was actually in the box. Oh, there's a hose for the dryer. This is the last thing in the box, is the hose. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to show you guys of me actually using it, but I wanted to show you and promise to show you me unboxing it. So this is everything out of the box. I gotta get this mess up, but so that is it. I unboxed my RevAir and I plan to use it this weekend, probably tomorrow, because I gotta, do my sparkles that are showing up first. But please subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'm growing the channel. Also, if there's anything you want to see hair related, especially with my RevAir or anything else on my natural hair care journey, let me know in the comments and make sure you hit that notification button. Thank you for watching my video. Have an amazing rest of your day and go be great.